dairy-free alternative milks are so popular these days, but they can be very expensive to buy at the supermarkets, and also there are sometimes some nasty, unnecessary ingredients in there. But you'll be happy to know it is super easy to make your own milk alternatives at home with your Kuvings EVO8. Fruity, refreshing sorbet on a hot summer's day. So good, right? Well, when you buy them from the supermarkets, I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a whole lot of extra ingredients in there that you don't really need, especially when you own a Kuvings juicer, because the Kuvings juicer range are not just juices. All I've done here is I've changed over the juicer strainer to the sorbet attachment, and we are going to make our very own sorbet right here, right now, using just frozen fruit. So I've got some frozen mango, frozen strawberries, and frozen blueberries. I've left them out for about 10 minutes just till they start to glisten, so they're not rock hard, and they'll be ready for the sorbet. It couldn't be easier also. All we're gonna do is throw them in the machine and you will watch sorbet magic happen right before your eyes. Let's get started. So first up, I'm gonna throw in some mango, mix it up with some strawberries and some blueberries. And we'll just alternate as we go. Of course, we can make any variation of sorbet that we like. All we need to do is just mix up what frozen fruit we use. So once you've finished with your sorbet, serve it up in a really nice clear glass. Add a few sprinkles on top, maybe some nuts and seeds. I love toasted coconut. And what a beautiful dessert to serve to guests or to the kids, or just to have for yourself when you feel like you need something a little bit special, but you don't want to have anything too naughty. Let's give this one a try. That is better than I thought it was going to be. So good. I'm just going to continue eating this. Definitely make sure you give this one a try. Hello, today I want to show you some amazing, simple and easy to make recipes that you can make in your own kitchen using the Kuvings EVO820 juicer. Now this nutritious and revitalizing green juice contains kale, apple, celery, cucumber, lemon and ginger. So we're just going to pop each ingredient through one at a time and you won't believe how easy it is, and of course how delicious it's going to taste. And just imagine all of that nutrition in one glass. Let's get started. Wow, take a look at the colour of this juice, and what I love most is there's no foam, so you're getting all the nutrition. Let's try this. Wow, look at that. it smells so fresh as well. Yum, we'd better give it a try. That tastes so great, and it's so smooth on the tongue as well, because of course this is a cold pressed juice. And one of the great reasons why we drink cold pressed juice is because it's very detoxifying, very cleansing. And of course, when you drink a juice like this, you're getting the nutrition absorbed into your body, 65% of it in 10 minutes, compared to if you ate the whole fruit, you're only getting about 17% of the nutrition, and it's being absorbed over 2 to 3 hours. So when you drink a juice like this, you're revitalized, you're energized, it's getting into your cells really fast, really quickly, and you won't believe how amazing you feel just with one glass of freshly pressed juice like this one here from Kuvings. And cleanup is a breeze, only a couple of minutes to do this job, because the Kuvings actually has a self-cleaning function. So all we're going to do is pop the machine on, run some water through, just like so. And we let it run for about 30 seconds. And you'll find some of the pulp will start to move out. And once that's cleaning inside, we'll release it all. We'll pop it off. We'll separate the machine into its separate parts, rinse them all individually, and you can use this nifty little tool which comes with your kit to clean the strainer under some running water. Just like that, and it's all clean and ready to use again. So why buy a Kuvings? First of all, they have super strong motors and all of their parts are of exceptional quality. The Kuvings EVO820 juicer has got to be the most advanced juicer Kuvings have ever created. I'll see you next time in the Kuvings Healthy Kitchen.
Kuvings. Kuvings.